Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So let's see today's daily challenge on Leetcode and try to solve it. So we are given divisible and non-divisible sums difference. We are given two values nums1 and nums2. We need to calculate nums1 minus nums2, and we are given for that we are given two positive integers. So nums1 is the sum of all integers in the range 1 to n, both inclusive, that are not divisible by m, and nums2 is the same thing but divisible by m. Okay, so let's see how to calculate that. Okay, so let's try to solve it. So you know that the sum of first n natural numbers from 1 to n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, and what you are given that they should be divisible by 2. Let's try to calculate nums2 first. So if we want to calculate numbers which are divisible by a number m, what I can do m plus 2m plus dot 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 km is equals to, what I can take m common, so it will be again just 1 to k m, so it will be k m k plus 1 by 2. I am writing just k into k plus 1 by 2 for this term. Okay, so this will be the value, but what will be m? We need to ensure that this km is just less than equal to n, so it means that a k will be less than equal to n by m, and this n by m should be an integer division, so I can just easily get k equal to n by m by doing some integer division and plug in the values there, and this is the value of nums2. Okay, now nums1 gives the total sum which is not divisible, so that will be nothing but the total sum which is there. This is the total sum, let's say sum minus nums2, because the total sum minus the sum which is not divisible by 2, not divisible by m, which is divisible by m. This is the sum which is divisible by m, which is the total, and therefore this is the which is not divisible by m. Okay, so all we need to do is return nums1 minus nums2, so we can easily do that. Okay, so let's try to code it out quickly. This is a quite simple approach. So we have total sum which is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, uh, we are having nums2 which is nothing but k into m. So first we need to calculate k, right? K will be n by m, so integer k will be nothing but n by m. This is floor division, and n m k plus 1 by 2, this is the value. Nums1 is nothing but sum minus nums2. Okay, that is what we calculated, and what we need to output is return nums1 minus nums2. Okay, so yeah, that would be all. Let's try to run it. Yeah, so it works. Let's try to submit it. So yeah, we have it. The runtime is giving less. I don't know why, but this is a simple O of 1 time complexity solution. So yeah, that would be all for the problem. I guess it was a really simple problem for today, and I hope your day is going to be really easy too. Thank you so much.